here and say, yo, me not like the youth are bad than cartel or bad like cartel. Them not like that. Masicka consistency make them also fear him. Because from Masicka start dominate dancehall, him never stop. Masicka no fall off. And them think that's a serious threat to them legacy. And then guess what?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Masicka international appeal is growing. As you can see, Masicka have songs where do so well internationally.
A few moments later.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Yo, you know, say all this while, me I try find out who really delulu, you know. Delusional, you know, people. Yo, the crooks them. Bro, wait it. More while one not talk and I make a statement. Wanna really think twice? Because it come like, me don't know. The Gaza fan them really mad out the man them in the dog. Yo, Gaza fan. Una forgot start play Masicka people in medical bill, you know. Cause psychiatrist bill, trust me, it very high. People want it. Yo, yo dog, yo better them man are good for acting now, bro. There's no way me can make some statement so bold, and when me make it, I just be a lie. You understand? Me really want to know hear that crux vlogger, yeah. You understand? Because, bro, one bag of trash. Want to know really hear what one. Hear what the fool you say.
But yo, you don't want to break down some of the main reason why Gaza fans have a...
Look here now, people. Hear what Masicka vlogger go say. It's a Masicka cousin, you know. They run him them yard and everything, you know. Hear the reason why him say Gaza people not rate Masicka or not like Masicka. Hear what go on.
Problem with Masicka. You see what I say? I want to reason them people. And because Masicka represent the new generation of dancehall that doesn't revolve around cartel influence. You get what I say? So because Masicka dominate dancehall, around dancehall, and cartel can't get much credit off of it, Gaza people never like that.
What you mean by cartel? Bro, bro, that's what I'm telling you, sorry for Maga dog, them turn on bite, you know. So after the Gaza give this youth strength, see? So after the Gaza give this youth strength in a dancehall, the man them I go say now say yo, through Masicka I do him thing, and through him I do him thing without cartel strength, and cartel now get the strength. Me not understand that, bro. When you sick in a night now, bro, and that's why I'm not sink right now, you know. Yeah, man, earthquake for that mash up his swamp, man. You see it?
Around cartel, them more feel like say when Masicka do, a cartel make it a happen. A cartel get praised and fight. And because that's the case, them not like Masicka. And also because Masicka no bow down to them system. Masicka just do him thing, and Masicka no need the approval from cartel. Him no get up every day and praise cartel. And him...
Brother, what you mean by Masicka no get up every day and praise cartel? Bro, from before Masicka bust, brother, Masicka go up and sting. And I say, yo, none of them no bad like Vice Cartel, none of them no bad like me, a Vice Cartel have to come out. Yo, Masicka do so many interviews. Him use even cartel for this other artist, brother. What you talk about? Eh? Masicka every interview with the man do a cartel. So what you try to talk about? Me not, bro, no delusional no youth. Me I tell you now, that's why maybe Masicka no reach so far in his career and reach certain level. You understand? Because the way you don't think, bro.
Align himself with Gaza. Him have him own crew, him have him own team, him have him own side, and at one side, Gaza people not like that. Remember, say Gaza people watch every interview, you know, with artists do, you know, and see if them are going to talk about cartel or if them are give cartel credit. And if that's not the case, them not like you.
But bro, Masicka always do that. You understand? What you mean by true Masicka? So wait there. Now Masicka found out and say Gaza genocide. So oh yeah, make it seems like say Masicka was just a solo thing, was just a recently brother Masicka just say one side, bro. It was Gaza genocide, brother. And then after that, him still did say Gaza. I him go up on stage, yo, big up Vice Cartel, this, that, rare. Bro, I tell you so no sick. But people want to know hear how them man talk, bro. Like, me don't know them make some talk and it's like, bro, I be a trash in that talk.
See me, but Masicka is a youth where him no praise no other artists. You get me, him give them respect, but at the end of the day, Masicka youth where build him own legacy and him see himself as the best. Him no put nobody above him. You understand? Yeah, man. So, Gaza people, them feel threatened by that. Because in their mind, Masicka, I come replace Cartel, and I go take with all the Cartel hype. I saw them believe. You see what I say? And them feel like the Cartel legacy, they on the line. You get me? And then the next thing too, you see, because Masicka is a lyricist, and when Masicka spit lyrics, you know, people will compare and say, yo, me not like that. You are better than Cartel, or bad like Cartel. Them not like that.
Yo, dancehall nice, you freak dog. You man say lyrical. You man say, who the hell get up and talk about bad Masicka better than Cartel, bro? Eh? Yo, dog, the man is sick, you know, bro. Yo, dog, man, telling you, the dangerous, brother. It's like everything the man attack, but Masicka, you have to just think about it the opposite way.
Masicka consistency make them also fear him, because from Masicka start dominate dancehall, him never stop. Masicka no fall off, and them think that's a serious threat to them legacy. And then guess what? Masicka international appeal is growing. As you can see, Masicka have songs we do so well internationally. When it come out to album, Masicka regarded as one of the best. 48 regarded as one of, if not, the best dancehall album of all times. And Cartel album, them really get recognized as one of the best dancehall albums. And also GOK as well, regarded as one of the best dancehall albums of all time.
Brother, I want to keep on talk about this album thing. Since we not talk, right? I want Masicka. We see him do a EP and that drop and nothing no go and feed, right? But I want to see him do a EP where him alone depend on the project. No feature, nothing. Because the two projects we him do, bro, the same Gaza thing, brother. Popcorn, Spice, all of them artists that give him strength on the album, bro. Make him do a solo album by himself. I want to see Masicka true potential, or him would create a project with us. Him alone pan it, then I want to see that. Then me can see if him really the man when it comes to album, bro. You understand? That's how I want to see a project with him alone. See him like how you can have Alkaline, New Level, Unlock. You understand? We want to see that. We can see him dominate with the album. You see me? Bro, Masicka album cannot be no album of all time, bro. No, bro, no sick in our head, brother. And the more on the talk, when make Masicka career just go sideways, fam. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you can't compare a number 1 album with a number 2 album, bro. You understand? Right now, the album there, I want Masicka use the whole album and perform in one party and turn it up. Use the album alone. Alkaline can do that. You understand? Cartel can do that. But we want to see Masicka with the album. Make him use him 438 and do it now and turn up a party. Just them song there alone. That we want to see.
So trust me, Gaza people that does sit well with Gaza people. In a freedom opinion, Masicka try diminish Cartel legacy. Them fear the thought of people seeing Masicka as being better or more successful than Vybz Cartel. So guess what? Them start push back aggressively. Them start fight Masicka hard. Them realize that Masicka is a youth to drop as much music as Vybz Cartel. Yet still Masicka have so much hits. So when you check the ratio between music drop and music will hit, Masicka lead in that category there. Because Cartel drop a whole lot of music. Yes, him have some hits out of it, yes, but a lot of them not really hit. Them just dead there. You get me? But Masicka is a youth so consistent when hit them. So
yo, people, the man them always a talk about hit, you know. But when Masicka go out there in the foreign countries and sing these songs, you wonder for some song where people them just a hear it when him a perform. Bro, the song them wanna call it's a some like a hot song that, brother. Hot song, bro. When a hit song a perform, the artist now have to sing it. The energy is there. All of them song they wanna talk about Masicka, him go out there, brother. Antigua and these places, and when him perform it, bro, the only song when me can say yeah him get a real whites, but the other is a song them, brother, me nah see the energy, brother. There's no energy. So if you don't want to say yeah it's, but when it go there it's not, it don't make no sense. You understand?
trust me, that's one of the reason why them so threatened by Masicka. You understand? And then guess what go on? Every year Masicka step up. You don't see Masicka decline. So every year Masicka get better, Masicka get bigger, Masicka get more successful. So really them fear one day say Masicka go fly past Vybz Kartel in terms of accolades and accomplishments. So they might try to stop Masicka right now. That's why Masicka say they might try to put a stop on the engine. You understand? You see Masicka streaming numbers are climb drastically. You get me? I say them definitely threatened by that. If you check in recent times, you don't realize Masicka releases. If you check in recent times, you don't realize Masicka streaming numbers going on very well. And in most cases,
Yo, coming like this, man, I do a poem to bombard. It's like them give him a paper for do a skit. Yeah. The way my talk is it not sound real. You understand? It's like, you know, him like him more than a force people to believe I saw it sound.
doing way better than Vybz Kartel streaming numbers for his recent releases. So that is something with them definitely concerned about. You see me? And when they can see, say, as I say, Masicka career keep rising, while Kartel career, it a plateau. You get what I say? You realize the Kartel releases, them not really get much streams again. You realize the Kartel song them, not really get the numbers. You realize the Kartel influence by dancehall a drop. And trust me, them not feel good about that. And internationally, trust me, internationally right now, Masicka doing better than Vybz Kartel. You understand?
Yo, dog. Yo, that's why I'm telling you, know. I tell you, you know. But I know, you know, bro, the money, yo, John, know, dog. The way how the money talk, bro, you have to just sit down now. The money, delusional status. Bro, I 10 star this. Me I tell you because, brother, if you don't know, if you're in a one world where you don't know, none of them artists are you don't know Vybz Kartel, the way how them money talk, say you don't know nothing about dancehall and you just again, and you hear all them money talk, bro. Yo, you're the wonder, bro. You understand? Because, bro, the man I said international. Brother, look, Masicka signed, brother, about 3 years now, fam. And the man music I just be a Jamaica, brother. Jamaica charts. That's why when him go, they go perform, people them stand up on him. Cause if the chart only I said Jamaica, and when him go out there, the crowd that stand up on it, it shows say the song them is hot songs. Cause hit songs don't stay one place. So more while not talk about hits and hits and hits, bro. Like the more no say hits, and more me see song them now pass now my airport. To me, bro, because you cannot say Masicka drop so much hits, bro, and it's not showing the impact of these hit songs. When Alkaline just fouled in a game, seeing in first 3 year, seeing in bus 2013, then by 2017, 4 years after, that huge crowd there with the youth pull. And hit song do that. Why we can't say Masicka pull a crowd that we can say, yo, that put on in the history book? Why? Him a drop the most hit song in the modern time right now. But we just can't see that energy there, bro. You understand? And it come like to me as you know say, it's. It come like it scratch. I saw me see it, dog.
Masicka song them a do better than Vybz Kartel. Check song like Whites, Rich Sex, Mute, all of them song there. I do better internationally than Vybz Kartel recent songs. So trust me, that is something where them feel good about. And Masicka more appealing to the young youth them, the young audience, than a Vybz Kartel. Because you don't know Vybz Kartel kind of all know. So him not so much appealing to the young youth them. You see me? So you see all of that right now, make Gaza people them fear Masicka. Gaza people don't like Masicka. They might try everything to tear down Masicka. Trust me, in a freedom opinion, them legacy they on the line. And Masicka look like a youth where him not stop. And him can't be stopped either. You see me? So Gaza try everything right now to stop Masicka. Them stress, them made hurt them. You see me? And them don't want Masicka have another year of dominance in a dancehall. Because people are going to start say, yo, the youth here look like say, yo, him are the baddest thing. Him are the real king. Him are the real goat. So trust me, you know sit well with Gaza people. So people, these are just some of the reasons why Gaza people are fighting Masicka so hard right now. One.
Yo, I'm sorry for another year, you know. 2026, you know. It's not going to be a good year, you know, bro. Bro, the way I wanna talk and make some talk, bro. That's why when the Gaza fans are beat, you know. We not sorry for you, bro. Come forward and make some ridiculous statement, brother. You understand? Cause make sure, you know. Make sure, alright, me tell you. Wanna make it even worse for yourself, dog. I tell you, no. It make it even worse, you know. It's like, bro, you have a company and you have Gaza fans as the shareholders. Bro, the moment them shareholders they left, it crumbling, brother. The move on make, una not smart, bro. Una not smart, brother. But I guess una not realize the reality what go on. Just look what go on. Make sure say that, yo, ah boy. We don't make some talk, bro. You see all of them talk they wanna make. The crux them. Remember say them song, all of them talk they go ricochet back on the career, dog. You understand? Come realize say una delusional and no humble, bro. You understand? Nothing wrong if you said this and that, But more while, when followed out with some statement, bro, where it don't even correct. You understand? It don't even correct, bro. Cause when keep on, I don't know how to size up on yourself more while, bro, and still, when not doing the things that certain artists do. You see it? When not do it. When not doing it, bro. You see me? But remember, you have shows coming up and you have songs. Cause I know. Yo, because I know more, but the Gaza people in my beat on dog. You see this bag of internet and come up on Instagram live and yo, you had to go to want to some man, hold up and call up and this and that. Bro, at that, Because to me, brother, we not getting a fight, bro. Masicka song still a play in a party. You understand? Masicka song them still a play, bro. You see me? Nobody now fight, bro. Gaza now fight, Nobody now fight, fam. Una fight on self. You understand? Una fight on self, dog. I tell you that. Because there is no way. Few months ago, una and the guys are good. Una link up, una do shows together. And then couple months after, no strength, all of them look a thing. Una make it seem like say, yo, the PCM people them a go no strength, a fight, when them a go no strength all over the years, bro. Right now, if Masicka do an album in a people, him not gonna get Spice on the album there. Russian maybe now go put him on none of the rhythm them again. You understand? A lot of people kind of drift away, bro. But fine, do your thing. But remember, say over the years, a strength you been getting, fam. So when all of them strength they gone, what you not used to, let's see. We see it in the EP, bro. You not getting a feature upon it. Are you alone? See where it goes. You understand? Where it goes. Wait, what's the numbers on it? I don't know the numbers. I don't know the numbers for the EP or how much it sell. You understand? So, it's sticky for you, brother. I tell you that, cause the way on our vision music, you see me? I'm telling you already, bro. Bro, Cartel do what you do already, brother. Focusing on Cartel is relevant for dancehall right now. Focus on food no future, dog. You see me? Cartel do what you do. Put out the music them, have him hit song them, to go up on him retirement mode. You see me? Do what you do, him just have them shows them and everything. You see me? Cartel can't stop dancehall, bro. Him just add to it. Cause I did it before him. But you know focus on what him a do. You see? The vendetta people them focus on music. You see me? Music. You know see vendetta thing a grow. The biggest fan base after the Gaza thing are Alkaline. Fan base vendetta. Alkaline are meds Cartel or where Cartel a do, brother. Alkaline have a goal where my focus on. But the crux them now, them want to eat everything. Till them go eat poison. And at that. But people, big up on yourself, you don't know media facts, Yeah, man, I one media facts, man. No, boy. That is it.